This video will cover how to use the CowSwap DEX on Gnosis Chain. First thing, we're going to connect our wallet and swap to the appropriate network. Next, we're going to select our token. If you didn't watch the previous video, you can watch it on how to bridge tokens into Gnosis Chain. For tutorial purposes, I'm going to wrap xDAI to wrapped xDAI as it doesn't cost anything. Input the amount of tokens you want to swap, and in this case, hit wrap. Confirm the transaction in your wallet, and wait for the transaction to go through. You can look at the status by clicking the pending button. And that's all. The transaction has gone through, and I've wrapped my tokens. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.